Hey everybody, and welcome to day number 35 of the New England farmhouse renovation. So it's day number 35. Last left you all off on day number 31, so 32, 33, and 34 have happened. And I haven't slacked a bit. It's just a technology crunch right now. I had a little GoPro. It was very convenient, very rugged, bringing it on the job site. Something happened with that. It's been shipped back to GoPro. They're going to send it on warranty, but it hasn't returned. And so because it hasn't returned, it's me here with a selfie stick and my phone, which is not so convenient. And on the top of that, it's been busy. We've had a lot of people here running around, and well, who really wants to be seen running around with a selfie stick? It's a little bit crazy. But day number 35, we're in the living room right now, and when last we left off, we were going to have it primed, and it's been primed, it's been painted, and it is complete now except for the floor, the moldings, and the trim around the windows. So we've got all of our outlet covers on, we've got our lighting fixtures up, and it's the same lighting fixture as you saw in the kitchen. Just a very simple square box, regular light bulbs. They're not regular light bulbs, they're LEDs that look like regular light bulbs. And we've got our vents in. We've got our closet doors painted, the hardware black. They kind of match. That's what we're going to kind of do. It matches the black trim that we have up here. And then also other little things like the smoke alarm is up. One thing we did do in the house while we had everything open was we upgraded the smoke alarm system, and we put in a whole house smoke alarm system, and it's a wired system. So if one goes off, they all go off, and it has a battery backup. So that's worth its weight in gold. And if you do have the walls open in your house, it's definitely advisable to make that one little upgrade. And so the living room, here we are, and the living room is done. Because we've ordered our floor boards, but they're not going to come in for a week and a half. They're getting sawed and dried. And the other thing we were planning on doing was, well, we were going to prime and get the living room, the foyer, and the hallway done. Well, the sand texture paint has gone up here. We noticed it had a little bit of a tint to it, which we don't want. So what we did do in the other room was we put the sand paint on after we primed, and then we actually had to roll it over with a ceiling paint in order to get it bright white. In this room, we put the sand paint on first, and tomorrow we're going to prime it, and then we're going to primer it over the textured paint, and that's going to bring it up to that brilliant white that we want for bounce. Now over here in the hallway, we've got our archway finished. Yeah, I know, we all love those square arches. So the archway is finished, and that was all basically trimmed in with the metal edges. And then if we go into the hallway also has the sand textured paint here on the roof. And then swinging around, you can see what that archway looks like coming in. So this is all set, and this is ready tomorrow for prime. So it's going to be a very big primer day, and I'm going to see if I can get some recordings of it. But like I said, the GoPro, which was pretty rugged, I mean, I could bring it in there. It was waterproof, so I wasn't really too worried about it. If worst came to worst, I could just rinse it off, particularly with paint. I'm not sure how comfortable I feel just bringing my phone into that environment, but we'll see. We'll see indeed. So we've been working on our punch list, and our punch list is going through pretty quickly. Is it quick enough to meet our 50-day deadline? I'm not entirely sure, but we're definitely going to try. Once we get the living room and the foyer, and then the hallway done, then the barn board should be coming in, then all the floors are going to get done on the first floor, and then once the floors are done, and once the foyer is done, well, then all the scaffolding can come out, and we can start that staircase. So the staircase brings up to the second floor, and then that's really going to be bang, bang, bang right to the very end, because now we'll be able to have quick access upstairs. We've been kind of moving some things around. These are the old doors that were up there. and they're really odd sized doors, 27, 26. So they were small. We've tried to bring it up as best we can, but we're still at 28-inch doors up there. The one to the bathroom is 32, but it's a really tight space. And I'm going to save that tour for another time when we actually get up there. So this is just bringing you to day number 35 and what we did from day number 31. And it was definitely a lot of work. Even a couple of days when I wasn't here, my father-in-law was here and Liz was here, and she does a lot of the painting because that's really her thing. She's really good at that as opposed to me. And so yeah, I'm glad you could check it out. Yeah, leave a like if you would, and subscribe. And then, yeah, I'll try to get some more videos up on a more regular basis. And then once the GoPro comes back, then hopefully I'll get back to every single day. So thanks for bearing with me. I appreciate it a lot. We'll see you all next time.